Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. If you don't have a calculator, you can use the phone. But today, we're gonna make calculation with scientific numbers that need a special key to be done. Okay, so to write a number like this, just 3.2 by 10 to the power of 13. You can use your phone calculator. But if you download an application like RealCalc, it's much easier, okay? It should, okay? I help you if you don't know how to do it. But that calculator, let me see, should have a key with an E on it. T or this is the key. So you write like 3. It's much easier doing with that. Use one calculator like this is easier because the only thing you got to do is to type 3.2, then the key exp or EE, and then the number, let's say 13 or minus 35, okay? Energy, light, is in form of waves, okay? Waves that go, you see some of them, what you see is some form of waves, but many waves you don't see, okay? There are a lot of waves here, microwave, Wi-Fi wave, that you don't see, okay? Anyway, every wave has a frequency and a wavelength, okay? And the relationship between the both of them is this. If you multiply the frequency by the wavelength, you get the speed of light, okay? Speed of light is the speed that light is, that is 3 to the power of 8 meters per second. Pretty fast. And from this formula, you can imply the formula to get the frequency and the wavelength, okay? I use this triangle for not having to memorize the formula. Here, speed of light, this is on the same line, frequency times wavelength. Frequency is speed of light divided by wavelength, and wavelength is speed of light divided by frequency, okay? So you don't have to memorize, you have to memorize just the triangle, okay? So, to calculate the frequency knowing the wavelength, the only thing you got to do is to divide the speed of light, 3 by 10 to the power of 8, by the wavelength, 3, in this case, by 10 to the power of minus 5, okay? So you can use the calculator. I'm gonna try and do it with the... You have to put it like this. Let's see if I can do it. No, there's no way to do it with this one. No. You need a scientific one, okay? Anyway, I'm gonna help you with your calculator to do it. I cannot do it with this. I just have to try and use my RealCalc. And that would be 3x 8 divided by 3x 5 minus. That is 1 by 10 to the power of 13. Here, if the frequency, if the wavelength is 5 by 10 to the power of minus 7, just use the calculator, 3x8 divided by 5x 7 minus, okay? 6 by 10 to the power of 14. This is frequency. Frequency is measured in hertz. Okay? So I'm gonna go run and see your calculator to get